How to fix Facebook login error and unexpected error occurred. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can fix if Facebook says unexpected error occurred during the login process and how you can fix this problem. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the unexpected error could be happening due to a couple of reasons. The very first thing is of course your network connection. So make sure that you have a very reliable internet connection. If Wi-Fi doesn't work, then I just recommend you also try to switch to cellular data and then see if that actually gets your job done, because most of the time switching to cellular data is also going to help you to enable the Facebook application. After you've done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and long press on the Facebook app icon here, then just tap on the I button. Once you tap on the I button, it will take you to the app info page. Scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache, and if possible also try to click on clear data. Now once you've cleared the cache files and data, what you want to do is simply open up your Play Store. In the search box you want to just type in Facebook. Once you type in Facebook over here, check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Now after you've done all of that, the final step why you're not being able to log in is due to your IP address being banned. In that case, you can just try to switch to cellular data, or you can try to use a VPN. Sometimes it could also be due to incorrect credentials, so just make sure that all of your credentials are correct, and then after that only you should be able to log into your Facebook account respectively. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.